Okay guys, so today we're going to make a cabbage and cilantro omelette. It's a great way to introduce veggies to your kids, so let's get started. Okay guys, so today we're going to make a cabbage and cilantro omelette with chia seeds. So it's quite simple and it's something we may not necessarily think about adding in order to make an omelette. So this is all the ingredients we're going to use. Of course, if you want to make a bigger amount, you can use 2 or 3 eggs, but in my case I'm just going to use 1. So here I have 1 egg, I have some cabbage cut up. Again, this is personal, so you can add more or less as the case may be. I have some cilantro. Another option to this would be adding chive as well if you don't want to use cilantro. We have 1 tablespoon of flour. In my case, I'm using gluten-free flour. We're going to sprinkle some chia seeds in it as well, and salt to taste. Of course, if you use black pepper, you can also add black pepper as well. So let's get to mixing everything together. Okay, so we're gonna assemble everything now. So I'm gonna add in the cabbage. I'm gonna add in the cilantro. Of course, like I said, you can personalize this. So either you can use chive or you can use onions. All right, I'm gonna add in the flour. Like I said, you can use regular flour. I'm using gluten-free flour. That's 1 tablespoon. And I'm also going to add salt at this point in time. So again, you just add salt to taste. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. And I have a choice. I can either add it chia seeds now, or I can sprinkle it at the top while it's cooking. I think I will add it in now. That was a 1/4 teaspoon of chia seeds. So I'm just going to mix everything together. Like I said, if you want to add more egg to this and increase the ingredients, you can do that. All right, I think that's combined enough. So let's head over to the stove now. So let's add our egg mixture in. All right. Just going to leave it like this so that the bottom side can cook, and then we would flip it over. For me personally, I don't like my egg runny or wet. So again, this is personal. A person can cook it to however they prefer to. Another option is that if you're a person that uses cheese, you can top this with cheese as well. Of course, if you did not want to add the flour to it, you can omit that. That really comes in handy if you're using more than 1 egg and you add the flour. You can actually cut it like a wedge, like a triangle wedge, when you're ready to eat. So it's optional. You can put in the flour if you want more heaviness, if you want your omelette to be, you know, a little more, have more substance in it, or you can omit it. Again, it's a personal choice. All Alright, I think that should be good. Let's just check it. Yep, that's good. Okay guys, so here's our cabbage and cilantro with chia seeds omelette. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some ideas, and I hope to see you in my next video. Of course, if you haven't subscribed as yet to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button, hit the bell notification. That's very important. That's the only way you will know when I publish a new video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.